Imagine this. You are checking your brokerage account before the market opens, maybe half awake and not even sure if you want coffee or something stronger, and suddenly, one tiny quantum computing stock is exploding upward by nearly 30%. No earnings, no press release, no contracts, nothing but a rumor drifting through Washington about strategic technology. And the moment a government official casually denies the rumor, later that same morning, the stock collapses like someone cut the power. Before we go deeper, if you are watching this through Shorts, you can tap the full version link below so you can hear the whole story without interruptions. And let me say this early because it matters for your portfolio. We include a fully updated trading strategy based on the latest conditions, so stay with me to the end. Most stocks in normal markets do not move like this. Under ordinary conditions, equities move on earnings, revenue, contracts, macro policy, or guidance. For a stock to swing 20 or 30% on unverified political speculation is extremely uncommon. When this pattern repeats over and over, it signals something deeper, a narrative so oversized that the stock becomes a measuring device for national anxiety and technological optimism rather than a reflection of revenue or profit. That is exactly the force surrounding Quantum Computing Inc., ticker QUBT. To understand why, we need to rebuild the company's history from the ground up because the anomalies in its past explain the extreme reactions in its present. QUBT did not begin as a tech company. It was founded in 2001 as Innovative Beverage Group Holdings, Inc. This is far outside the normal trajectory of deep tech firms. Typically, companies working with advanced physics and photonics emerge from academic labs, federal grants, or engineering incubators. They very rarely begin in the beverage business. That unusual origin hints that QUBT's evolution would lean heavily on strategic repositioning rather than on long scientific lineage. By the early 2020s, the company pivoted into quantum-inspired optimization software, which uses quantum-influenced algorithms on classical computers. This is a standard business model in the quantum ecosystem and does not require physical qubits or cryogenics. Investor expectations were stable and modest. Everything changed in 2022 when QUBT acquired QPhoton. That acquisition transformed the company's entire identity. QPhoton specialized in photonic-quantum technologies built on thin-film lithium niobate, a material that allows ultra-fast modulation of light with minimal energy loss. Photonic systems manipulate photons instead of electrons, which means they could operate at or near room temperature. Traditional superconducting qubits require cooling to nearly absolute zero, which demands huge infrastructure and cost. If quantum systems can be built without cryogenics,